So, I made it to the airport, and oh yeah, by the way, hi, my name is Fredrik, and I'm heading to the Schiphol Amsterdam airport right now. So I arrived here at the airport. We're currently in Gothenburg and heading on my way to Amsterdam for the H1-3120 event that's gonna partake on Saturday. There's gonna be a couple of days with some of the most amazing hackers I know, and we're gonna find a target and then attack that and hopefully cash in a lot of bounties. So I made it to Amsterdam Schiphol Airport, and currently it's going to take the tram in from Schiphol Airport down to central Amsterdam. And you can buy these one-way cards, about €5, and you get them in the Jello machines upstairs. Very simple. Let's go into town.
Patrick, you really need another name, because
I need another name?
Yeah. Why?
Because this guy's Fredrik.
Yeah, that's Fredrik though. This is Fredrik. So what is bug bounties? Bug bounties is a way for companies to extend on, add an extra layer to the pen testing. We got all these awesome hackers around the world that could be a part of your security team. And by inviting those guys in a controlled program and let them have access to and play around with what you define as in scope. It could be your website or whatever. And the thing is that you will get some of the most amazing brains in the world together and just doing things that you would never think about. There's so many ways of looking at things. Let's take this lens for instance. If I'm keeping this lens up here, I'm seeing it from one angle and you're seeing it from another one. What you see is some numbers and shit here, and what I see is upside down 4.2. It's the same object, but we're looking at it from different angles.
Never assume anyone has looked at an application before. Just treat it like you were the first one to ever look at it, because you will find whatever anyone else missed.
If you get that many people and they find something and they disclose it for you privately, and you have the option or you have the possibility to repair it, wouldn't you pay for it? I know I would. So let's head over to the WeWork location for the H1-3020 event and see what the other guys are up to. There's going to be some recon going on today, and they got a really nice gigabit connection over at the WeWork, so we'll just go there. Here we go.
So you should be nice.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Wait.
How are you this morning?
Nice. How are you? Are you ready for hacking?
We are definitely ready for the hacking. Been up all night prepping for it, right?
Yeah.
It's gonna be MPH material there. This is the WeWork that got destroyed the other day. Currently up and running, which is perfect.
Good luck.
Perfect, take care. Bring cameras in here.
Last summer we did a CTF. The H1-702 CTF, and Julian won it. And I was really late to the party in terms of getting him his flight and his hotel, and I screwed up and he didn't get to make it to the event. And he hated me forever. He did. So I hope that we've made up for this one. Absolutely. So you got the belt, so give it to this guy right here.
I was given the opportunity to join some of the most creative out-of-the-box thinkers that I've got to learn through bug bounties, and it's been a couple of pretty magnificent days. We've been doing everything from going on boat rides and having karaoke late nights. In between all this, we've been meeting up with the community, talking about bugs, sharing knowledge, and just really growing as individuals together. It's too pretty fucking epic to attend these kind of events. You're learning so much, and together people are teaming up and crushing it. So it's a really nice thing.